A baseball dropped from the roof of a tall building takes 3.1 seconds to hit the ground. How tall is the building? So let's write down what we know. We're assuming that the baseball is dropped with 0 velocity. That's implied by the word dropped. So we'll say that the initial velocity is 0 meters per second. We know the acceleration due to gravity on Earth is downwards, so we'll use a negative. And it's 9.8 meters per second squared. We know the time taken is 3.1 seconds. And we want to know the displacement, how far the ball fell, or in other words, how tall the building is. Keep in mind that this displacement will likely be negative since the ball is falling downwards, and we've chosen negative to be the downwards direction, but we can take the magnitude of the displacement to get the height of the building. So we need to find an equation that uses these 4 variables and no other variables that we don't have values for. And that equation is as follows. Displacement is initial velocity times time plus 1/2 times acceleration times time squared. Initial velocity is 0, so we have displacement equals 1/2 acceleration times time squared. Acceleration is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. Time is 3.1 seconds, and that is squared. Now keep in mind that we want to have 2 significant figures in our answer here, since each of these has 2 significant figures, and multiplication is the only operation going on here, and this 1/2 can be considered exact. So if we punch this into our calculator, 1/2 times negative 9.8 times 3.1 squared, you should get an answer of negative 47 meters when rounded to 2 significant figures. And like I said, that displacement is negative since the ball fell downwards. But if we take the magnitude of the displacement, we can get the distance that the ball fell, which is the height of the building, 47 meters.